See these nails? We're going on 3.5 weeks of no fill, and it has me thinking, I want to give some at-home DIY press-on nails a run for their money. I keep seeing all of these ads. Okay, I'm a sucker for the Instagram ads, I know, but I want to give them a try. People are saying they can last up to 2 weeks, and if that's the case, holy savings, Batman, because that's a lot of money. And we're going to talk about that a little bit later, but are they as pretty? Will they stay as long? Is it going to be more of a pain in my tuchus than going to the nail salon every 2 weeks? What do you say we find out together? Okay, let's do this. I feel like I have my own nail salon here at home. Some of these things I've had. Have you guys ever had these, the callus buffers? These are amazing. Mind you, I have been going to the nail salon forever and a day. When I watch them, they kind of file down a little bit, the dipping powder, and then I'm going to soak them in cotton with acetone. I've got my little tinfoil squares cut out. And then what I will do is I'm going to apply some static nails. I've done some research. These came up top rated. Apparently they have a great color selection. They last a really long time. I got kind of this almost like a tiger eye bronzy color. I think I'm going to do that now just because, you know, we're already in February and I know everything's going to get lighter as we go to spring. A beautiful French set, and this one's a little bit more rounded like a beigey nude, but they say you can get 30-day wear out of these, that they will last at least a week, if not 2, depending on the amount of glue. And here is the glue right here. So first things first, I've got to buff these things down and get my nails ready for the new static nails. Just see how this works. This is good. I won't bore you with the tedious stuff. We'll revisit you guys as soon as I start soaking in the cotton balls. All right, they've been buffed down a little bit, so now I'm going to soak these cotton balls in some acetone. And this is the part where I've got to be really, really patient. Sometimes they'll have you just kind of dip your hands in a bunch of acetone. And I've been to salons where they've done it this way too, and I kind of prefer it because you can sort of use your hands a little bit. So you just take it and then wrap, wrap, wrap. And it keeps the, see? Keeps the cotton on your finger. Thumbs always take the longest, don't they? Gotta make sure I've got some good acetone on there. Oh, did I make you big enough? I gotta say, it's harder when you do it. But I have to remind myself that this will be the only time I've got to remove, you know, old nail stuff. Again, I won't bore you with the tedious stuff, but you know what you gotta do. One thumb left. Note to you and self, save your thumbs for last. That was wild. We'll see how this works. You know, it would have been easier just to soak it in the acetone, but I don't know. I like a little freedom. Okay, see how long this takes? I would say anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, and then we'll be back at business. Okay, the sun is setting. Took a little longer than I anticipated. So I opened up the nails and I've got 2 tiers. And what they say to do is basically find your fit, right? So I'm gonna go through and see what's gonna be my best fit, and then I'm gonna lay them out. Alrighty. It comes with glue. I also bought an extra one, and let me just share with you some pro tips, what it says. Apply to your nail and to the static nail. You're going to take it and you're going to get it under the cuticle, press and hold for 30 seconds. It says start with your dominant hand and save the thumbs for last. Okay, let's give it a go. Yep, you just squeeze. I'm putting it all over my nail, as you can see. Press for 30. That's some strong glue, I gotta tell you. That's a really cool looking nail. Look at that. Okay, around we go. I'm sure I'll get quicker at this as I go. Okay, I see I gotta be careful with the glue. I'm already getting it on the nail. This is a scintillating video, is it not? Okay, it did say there could be some excess glue. It said use more glue if you want them to stay on longer, which I do. And it also says to press firmly for 30 seconds to get any air bubbles out. These look really cool. I have to say, I also love, well, not only do I love the shape, but I love that they don't look too thick. Okay, air bubbles out. You can hear it if there's an air bubble in there. You just press it flat and get it out. All right, I'm gonna save that thumb for last and move on to the next side. Okay, you guys, they are on. They're beautiful. They come with an itty bitty little nail file. You can absolutely reshape them if you want. These are a bit on the long side for me, but considering that this took longer than I had anticipated, I'm just not going to worry about it today. I'm going to let it ride and see if they are too long. And if so, I'm going to get a larger emery board and then I can file these babies down. But what I really love about this company and what I read, on the side of the box, it says, reusable, non-damaging, lasts up to 30 days, applies in seconds, extremely durable, waterproof, vegan and cruelty-free, 100% female-owned. And it gives you some pro tips on the back, how to do it. And I would say when I applied them, the hardest ones were the thumbs, just because they were the last to go on, and also the curvature of the thumb. It's a little bit more rounded than flat, so I found that I was having to shape the nail and kind of press in on the sides a little bit more to get it to fit. I would guess these would be the first to pop off. I have absolutely no idea, but we're gonna give it a go, and I'm gonna do a little countdown for you guys and wear these, and if anything pops off, I'll let you know on what day and how long these last. But wow, these are beautiful. I mean, these are absolutely perfect, beautiful nails that I did at home. And granted, the longest was getting rid of my old dip powder nail. And once I got back to my natural nail, this was quick. Right, Oscar? Right. Okay, guys, thank you for journeying. I can't wait to share with you how much money could be saved by going this route. I've done some calculations and I will reveal that at the end of this video. Okay, just finished grocery shopping and bagging my own stuff. Nails are still on, nothing popped off. That's good news. It's day 2. Just finished shooting a makeup tutorial, day 3. Look at that, still here. Okay, so the first one lifted, and I can't really say it's its fault because I was in the shower washing all of this. So if there were ever pressure or strain, that would be it. So it's peeling up right here. I can pretty much get the whole thing off. So without lifting the full thing, I'm going to apply my glue back to the underside. And I'm just gonna put it right back on. But so far, everything's held up great. This is, I put them on Saturday. This is Wednesday. And I didn't even mention these guys held up at the gym today. In fact, Sydney, our fitness coach, looked at them and she said, girl, these have to be my favorite nails yet. And when I told her they were press-on, she just about dropped the barbell. That's right. Okay, hold for 30 and away we go. Even with Oscar at the helm on a walk, they're still on. Day 6 now, I think. Okay, this is day 7. And here they are. these chrome nails. They are called Influenced, in case you fell in love with the color. I sure did. I think they are beautiful. I've had more compliments on these nails, by the way, than anything I've done in the past, which is incredible. As you saw in the journey, one lifted off from washing hair, pressed that back on. One was partially coming off, and I glued that back on. That was the only lifting that took place. We are 7 days in. They are still intact. I'm going to ride this out probably for another week if I can. I do have a couple of others that I have purchased. These are called Barely There, and it's just sort of a neutral nail. And this one is called Quiet Luxury, which is a bit of a chrome with a French tip. So you'll be seeing me in those as time goes by. I also ordered nail polish, a base coat and a top coat, because I'm going to do my toes too. That's it. I'm DIY at home nails from here on out. Why? I just told you the price, $18 and $20. These nails can last up to 30 days. You do the math. Speaking of math, I loved math as a kid, and I really love it when it brings things into perspective. So on average, between doing a gel pedicure and a dip manicure, I was spending, tip included, about $300 a month. So I figured, okay, let's just say I took that money and invested it. What would that look like over time, especially with a conservative return rate like 7%, right? Nothing wild, nothing too conservative, nothing too crazy, an average rate of return 7%. What would that look like over time if I just stopped going to the nail salon? 1 year, that's $3,700 saved. 5 years, $21,500. 10 years, $52,000. $300 a month at 7%. Are we crazy? Think about that. That's if you just strictly invest it. Or what if you did like a partial investment and then use some of that money maybe toward your health goals or whatever. And I understand nails. A lot of women say, it's my time, it's my quiet time to sit in the chair, it's my treat. I get it. I really do. I've been doing it forever, as I'm sure you have too. But considering how beautiful these are, how quick it was, and how much money it saved, I personally would rather use that money for my fitness coach or for, healthier food that can sometimes be more expensive, or investing. So that's my mindset. I just wanted to present that to you because sometimes I don't think until you see it, do you realize, wow, think about coffee money that we spend on coffee, invest that. I just want to be smart. So I thought this was a really, really cool way to show you something fun, beautiful, and possibly a way for you to save some money at the same time. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm digging these static nails. I even bought some nails from the drugstore, Kiss. I'm going to try a bunch of different brands and see how they do. And the glue I've got from Static Nails, I hear there's this nail glue on Amazon that's supposed to be all the rage. I don't know. Clearly, I'm dabbling in a new area. But I hope you enjoyed it. Happy to present something affordable and beautiful, and something that you can do at home and feel like you are getting all done up without having to spend some crazy money, right? Who wants to do that? It's so silly. It's so yesterday. Go out, be bold, be blessed. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Super quick, I just had to pop on, or shall I say, pop off and share. I just lost one. You guys, it has been 14 days. They made it 2 weeks. That's what I was hoping for. I wanted to cross my fingers and make sure that they did and be able to get back to you and say, yes, they did. So I'm going to remove these and move on to the next set. But I'm so happy to say they lasted as long as a traditional dip powder. And the wonderful thing was, as you saw with a few that lifted, I was able to glue and repair within seconds. So press-ons for the win. Win.